In this tutorial, I'll show you how to build a calendar view journal in Notion using a ready-made template. It's an easy way to record daily notes, reflections, and goals in a calendar layout. Let's get started. Open Notion and click Templates in the sidebar. Search for Journal or Daily Journal, then choose a template that includes a calendar view and add it to your workspace. Customize the journal by changing the title, adding an icon or cover image, and updating any sample entries with your own information. Open the calendar view and click any date to create a new journal entry. Add your daily notes, goals, reflections, or anything else you want to track. If you'd like, add properties such as mood, tags, or priority to organize your entries and make them easier to filter later. Continue adding entries each day and use the calendar to quickly review your journal and see your progress over time. That's how to build a calendar view journal in Notion. Thanks for watching.